So, working on a Prusa MK3S, and just thought I'd let you guys know, I guess this version that I'm working on differs. So what happened was this customer's panel, the PINDA sensor actually snapped from a clog. So as I was assembling it, I noticed placements of things were different. And as I went further and tried putting back the original parts that were printed, they didn't match up. So just keep in mind when you guys are working on these, double check the revision, because this one actually isn't, the parts are actually updated versus the old. So right here I had a little filament sensor, that was different. The tensioner wheel, actually this was the same, I printed out that anyways, I just printed everything. But the ball bearing part too, right here, I'm sorry, not ball bearing, but the little ball inside, this was different as well. This didn't have a flap. They revised the whole thing. And then also while you're at it, make sure you look carefully. There was threaded nuts in various areas that you want to make sure you get. So just check that out when you guys are ever working on a Prusa. I work in a handful. I won't say this is my daily in and in dealing with Prusas all day, because a lot of Prusa owners already fix their own stuff. But still, this is like really cool. You know, you can literally print everything you want of your printer practically. You know, your covers, your just everything. It's wonderful. And stuff like this breaks, you're not calling the manufacturer to get it. If you have another printer, cool. Print in ABS, ASA, PC. I think that's my next thing is I'm going to start doing is that I have some PC FR, and I think I'm going to start making components out of PC FR, just PC in general, going forward anytime I work on Prusas, because I want to at least give back a better build quality of material. Even though I understand this is all not enclosed, but I think it'll just be nice to offer back to my customers a little bit better quality. So right now I've been doing everything on ASA, but I'd like to start doing PC or PCFR. So that'll be my next steps, but for now I just thought this was really cool. Show you guys that on the ends, that this is all 3D printed. All this too, brackets, it's just cool. I just think it's really cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is just part of my repair shop. Right now I'm dealing also with a K1C, doing a full rebuild and overhaul. That's working its way in. Yeah, I thought I'd show you guys all this. That was pretty cool. Happy printing.